Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 6, 2021. And the first question is, who becomes the leading run scorer across all formats in women's international cricket? And the options are A. Smriti Mandhana, B. Mithali Raj, C. Charlotte, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj surpassed England's Edwards tally of 10,237 runs in T20s. 16 years, 205 days, Raj's age at the time of her debut. During an ODI against Ireland in 1999, Edwards and Raj are only two women with more than 10,000 runs in international cricket. Two Indians now have highest tally of runs in international cricket, that is Sachin and Mithali Raj. And the second question is, who appointed as Chief of Fire Services, Civil Defence and Home Guards? And the options are A. Taj Hassan, B. Ajit Doval, C. Lieutenant General Hitendra Singh, and D. Gautam Sawant. The correct answer is A. Taj Hassan. He is an IPS officer from 1987 batch of Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Mizoram, Union Territory, AGMUT cadre. Hassan has also worked in the Narcotics Control Bureau as a Deputy Director General, and now he appointed as Chief of Fire Services, Civil Defence and Home Guards. And the third question is, which country is going to host the 7th edition of the Indian Ocean Naval Symposium? And the options are A. Russia, B. USA, C. France, and D. China. And the correct answer is C. France. It is being hosted by French at La Réunion in Italy. France assumed the chairman on June 29 for a 2-year tenure. 6th IONS and COC was conducted by Iran in April 2018 at Tehran. IONS consists of 23 permanent members and 9 observer members. The inaugural IONS seminar was held by the Indian Navy in 2008. And the fourth question is, which of the following country becomes the most vaccinated nation globally, administering 15.5 million doses? And the options are A. Oman, B. Thailand, C. Malaysia, and D. UAE. And the correct answer is D. UAE. 72.1% of the UAE's population had been given 2 doses of the COVID vaccine, and UAE became the most vaccinated nation globally. And the fifth question is, G. Thiruvasagam has been appointed as the President of AIU. The options are A. 100th, B. 115th, C. 150th, and D. 99th. The correct answer is A. 100th. G. Thiruvasagam has been appointed as the 100th president of AIU. He was elected as the new AIU president for a period of 1 year. Formed as an Inter-University Board IUB of India on 23rd March 1925. In 1973, it is renamed as Association of Indian Universities, that is AIU. And the sixth question is, Pushkar Singh Dhami takes oath as 11th Chief Minister of which state? And the options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Assam, and D. Delhi. The correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Pushkar Singh Dhami takes oath as the 11th Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Oath of office was administered on Dhami by Uttarakhand Governor Baby Rani Maurya. And the seventh question is, which of the following airport launched flood mitigation project Operation Prawah? The options are A. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, B. Vijayawada Airport, C. Cochin International Airport, and D. Delhi International Airport. And the correct answer is C. Cochin International Airport. Phase 1 of the Operation Prawah will be completed in the last week of July. And the eighth question is, Curtin Wallum breaks 400 meters hurdles world record. He belongs to which country? And the options are A. Germany, B. Japan, C. Russia, and D. Norway. And the correct answer is D. Norway. He beat 1992 Olympics champion Young mark of 46.78 seconds. And the ninth question is, which organization is named India's first indigenous autonomous drone defense dome developed by Grain Robotics? And the options are A. Agnipi, B. Indrajal, C. Rajiv Jal, and D. both B and C. And the correct answer is B. Indrajal. Hyderabad based Grain Robotics develops the Indrajal, which is a first indigenous autonomous drone defense dome. And the 10th question is, who is the author of the book titled India to the Rescue? And the options are A. Shruti Rao, B. Sushant Singh, C. both A and C, and D. none of these. And the correct answer is C. both A and C. It's Shruti Rao and Sushant Singh who wrote the book titled India to the Rescue. This book features the rescue operation of Operation Cactus, which is done in Maldives. And the 11th question is, what will be the new retirement age of LIC chairman? And the options are A. 62 years, B. 58 years, C. 60 years, and D. 65 years. The correct answer is A, 62 years. And the 12th question is, RBI imposed 25 lakh penalty on which bank? And the options are A, Punjab National Bank, B, HDFC Bank, C, SBI, and D, Punjab and Sindh Bank. And the correct answer is D, Punjab and Sindh Bank. And the 13th question is, which organization has launched a Saral pension plan? The options are A, SBI, B, LIC, C, Canara Bank, and D, Union Bank of India. And the correct answer is B, LIC. And the one-liners today are, Madhumita Balaji takes charge as President of Police Families Welfare Society. Education Minister R. Pokhriyal Nishank to virtually launch Nipun Bharat on July 5th. Shimla Police launched Virangana on Wheels to check crime against women. NABARD sanctioned 388 crore rupees for drinking water projects in Odisha. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.